this December. I think I just scored well in English because English is a subject you can score high. Most important is your essay and comprehension. Making your vocabulary is a high thing. I have done from that journal book which helped me a lot. About 15 to 17 questions came from that book. Last question is about synonymous and antonymous, which I basically have only 2 or 3 lines. But that of 20 marks, I think I just scored 4 or 5 marks. If I have done that better, I would have came first in the examination.
How did you prepare for your maths? Just tell the students.
Maths I did from Adi Sharma. I almost revised the whole book 3 times and did all the last year paper.
And how did you prepare your English? GK?
GK, I got a book from of Manohar Pandey.
This thing. Which publication? Arihant.
Arihant publication. I read almost all of the book, and most important, you don't have to mug it. You have to just underline the main points and read it. Because in RIMC only the main things come. And most important are the current affairs. You have to read newspaper daily.
Okay. So you used to read your English newspaper daily?
Yes, sir.
Which newspaper you used to read?
Times of India.
And how did you increase your vocabulary?
I used to speak in English with my father, and he used to tell me every 3-4 words a day, and he said that I have to use each word 5 times in a day. So the words he taught me is remembered by me through my life.
Very nice. Okay. So this is how you prepared, okay? Very nice. So I wish you all the best for your interview, which is going to take place in Jammu. And when are you coming back?
6th.
6th you are coming back.